Hi Scholar, I warmly welcome you to Postulates channel. Honestly, I am so excited to have you here on this transformative journey as we dive into the playlist titled Euclidean Geometry or Geometry. Study to show yourself approved for JAMB, UTME, WAEC, WASC and NECO mathematics. This playlist should never be taken for granted, and neither do JAMB, WAEC or NECO takes it for granted. Every single year, these exams feature questions in geometry, and that is because geometry is one of the most broad, fundamental and unshakable pillars of mathematics. I understand your pain point. You want a platform where you can learn optimally, efficiently and exam smart. The good news, you are exactly in the right place. There is an encouragement in a great book that says, study to show yourself approved unto God, a workman that needs not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth. In your case, this means studying geometry so thoroughly that you build confidence and mastery and precision across all its subtopics. Don't worry, I am here to guide and equip you with every necessary skill. You are not alone. Now, if you are familiar with the JAMB, WAEC and NECO mathematics syllabus, you will notice that Euclidean geometry features prominently. That's why this playlist is structured to cover all subtopics, ensuring you are 100% exam ready. The subtopics covered in this playlist include 1. Basic foundations of geometry, and under this we have concept of points, line, plane, ray and space. Next, types of angles, acute, right, obtuse, straight and reflex angles. Next, angle properties and relationships, complementary, supplementary, vertically opposite angle. Next, parallel lines and transversals. These include alternate, corresponding and cointerior angles. Next, geometrical instruments and accurate constructions. The second subtopic include triangles, and under this we have classification of triangles. This include scaling, isosceles, equilateral and right angle triangle. Next, properties of triangles. Next, proofs and applications of triangle congruency, which include SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS. When we start the topic fully, I will explain what these acronyms means. Next, similarity of triangles and applications in ratio. Next, the Pythagoras theorem and its applications. Next, basic trigonometry in right angled triangle, that is your sine, cosine and tangent. The third subtopic covered in the playlist will include quadrilaterals and polygon, and under this we have types of polygon, which include square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium and kite. Next, properties and problem solving with quadrilaterals. Next, angle sum in quadrilaterals and polygon. Next, interior and exterior angle sums of polygon. Next, regular polygons and their symmetrical properties. The fourth subtopic is circle geometry, that is the theorem and properties. And under this we have circle definition, which include chord, arc, diameter, tangent, sector and segment. Next, angle subtended at the center and circumference. Next, angles in the same segment. Next, cyclic quadrilaterals and their properties. Next, alternate segment theorem. Next, tangent properties. These include perpendicular to radius, equal tangent length. Now you may want to understand why this playlist is different. This playlist is different in so many ways. 1. It covers all geometry topics in JAMB, WAEC and NECO. 2. It includes step-by-step exam-focused lessons. 3. It solved past questions and examples. 4. It includes tips, tricks and shortcuts for speed and accuracy. And 5. It builds confidence and precision and mastery. By the time you are done with this playlist, geometry will no longer intimidate you. Instead, it will become your scoring machine in every exam. So, hit play all and let's get started. Study to show yourself approved and let geometry push you closer to your dream score in JAMB, WAEC and NECO mathematics. God bless you and bye.